In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Basecamp. Whether you're organizing project documents or simply tidying things up, creating folders is a simple and efficient way to keep everything in order. So let's dive in and walk through this process together step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account and navigate over to the specific project where you want to create a new folder. Once you're in your project, you'll want to look for the Docs and Files tool. This is typically found among the list of tools available within your project. Click on Docs and Files to open it up. This is where you can store all your important documents and files, everything you'll need right at your fingertips. After you've accessed the Docs and Files section, locate the green New button. This is generally situated in the top left corner of your Docs and Files pane, making it easy to spot. Give that a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. This menu provides a range of options for creating different items like documents or folders. For our purposes, go ahead and select New Folder from the drop-down list. Clicking this option will prompt a new card to appear. You'll notice this card is labeled Untitled, which is just a placeholder for now. This small step will set the foundation for your folder, so it's important to take a moment here. Next, it's time to personalize your folder by giving it a name. Think about what you'll be storing in this folder and what a logical name would be to quickly identify it later. Click into the text area of the Untitled card and type in your desired folder name. This step is crucial because a clear, descriptive name makes it easier to find and manage your documents and files as your project grows. Once you've input your preferred name, you have two options to lock it in. You can either click the Save button, which you'll find nearby, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Both actions will confirm the name of your new folder, making it ready for all your organizational needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a folder in Basecamp. This new folder will now be visible in your Docs and Files section, ready for you to start filling it with the necessary documents and files to keep your project streamlined and organized. Creating folders is an excellent way to enhance productivity and ensure everything you need is easy to find when you need it. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes managing your projects in Basecamp a breeze. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.